तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss how to download Instagram videos, images, reels etc. and save it to your mobile or PC. Many people find difficulty in downloading the Instagram related stuff and saving it to your mobile or PC. And even if you try manually to save reels or stories to your device, we can see only video without sound. And here is the simple trick to download all Instagram elements like photos, videos, DPs, Reels, IGTV videos, Instagram highlights, stories, etc. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram in your mobile or PC. Then select the one you need to download and click on the three dots. Here it appears. And after clicking on three dots, click on link. After clicking on link, here you can see link copied. That indicates that the post link has been copied to your clipboard. After copying the link, you need to get onto the Google. After going to the Google, you need to search for en.savefromnet space Instagram. Okay, en.savefromnet space Instagram. This is the basic website to download the Instagram stuff, and you need to click the first one. After clicking the first one, here click on continue to the Chrome. You are required to paste the copied URL here. After pasting, continue downloading your browser. See, download JPG. You can see clearly that there is an option called download JPG. You need to click on this. After clicking on this, press back if page got redirected, and you can see clearly that file is getting downloaded, and click on open to view the file. Here you can see the Instagram post we need to download got downloaded. Okay, in this way you can download photos. Now here not only en.savefromnet, you can also use another two popular websites like, for example, instafinsta.com. instafinsta.com. After searching instafinsta.com, here you can find the interface like this. See, in my view, this is more conveyable as there are separate sections for separate things. Like for videos, there is one section for reels, for photo, for DP, for stories, for highlights, etc. And here, like, I copied the URL of the photo. So I am clicking on the photo, and here I am pasting the copied link. After pasting the copied link, click on search. After clicking on the search, see you can see the photo got displayed here. After the photo got displayed, you need to click on download and press back if page got redirected, and click on download. See, the file got downloaded. Okay, let me show you another example. Like, I want to download another photo. Wait a minute. I want to download this Justin Bieber photo. So I am clicking on the three dots and clicking on the link. After clicking on the link, the post link will get copied to our clipboard. After copying the link, go to the Google Chrome and either search en.savefromnet space Instagram or instafinsta.com, or there is another popular website called igram.io. You can see igram.io. Here it is the easy way. Like, here I am pasting the Instagram link direct here and clicking on the download. After clicking on the download, here you can see the photo got displayed here, and it also gave us options like download in 1080px, download in 750px, download in 640px, and I prefer download in 1080px. So I am clicking on it and press back if page got redirected, and you can see the file got downloaded. Then click on open. See, you can see the photo of Justin Bieber. In this way you can download the Instagram posts. And let me show you another example. For example, if you are required to download reels, okay, if you are required to download the reels, click on the three dots and click on copy link. You need to go to the Google Chrome again. After going to the Google Chrome, you either search for instafinsta.com or igram.io. Let us start with igram.io. After searching for igram.io, you need to insert the Instagram link here. After pasting, click on download, and we need to wait for a moment. See, the reel got displayed here. And click on download.mp4 to download the reel and press back if page got redirected. You can see clearly that file is getting downloaded. Okay, you can see clearly that file is getting downloaded. In this way you can download all the Instagram related stuff very easily in Google Chrome without using any app. Okay.
Bye, have a great time.